Chevrolet Camaro Z28 Convertible here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Actual mile car at just a little over 42,000 is all. Bright Rally red paint, ebony interior. Of course, the 5.7 liter. Tried and true V8 underneath the hood, paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission. As we take a look at the front nose or fascia on this car, you can see paint shows well, nice shine to it, practically looks wet. Take your time looking through the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the underside, the interior, the engine bay, top up, top down, trunk. Those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description area. It's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726 and see the chrome wheels. In those still pictures, you're also going to be able to see the window sticker, so you can look at how this car is equipped from the factory. It does have the preferred equipment group, which is a lot of your modern amenities. Also has chrome wheels, leather bucket seats, power driver seat. Notice the owner's manual is there, as well as both key fobs. So this is a well taken care of car up and down the passenger side. It's not full of nicks, dings, scratches. Still has a three-piece convertible cover. Here's some call it the parade boot. I'd be a little careful on there if I was using it as a parade boot. Of course, bucket seat, center console. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Now, I mentioned that three-piece cover. Also comes with a carrying case. I have overfolded up along the wall. That will be in the trunk, where it kind of velcros in and will stay there when you're driving it. And once again, all those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Look at the trunk area, undersides, interior, engine bay, very clean car. If you're a Camaro fan, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you like sports cars in general, go ahead and do it. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase online or right off our showroom floor. As we take a look up and down this driver's side, again, you can see the paint looks wet. It's in nice shape, not full of major nicks, dings, or scratches. No surprises on this one. It's what you'd expect with a clean Carfax. A little over 42,000 miles. All right, some of those modern amenities: power locks, power mirrors, power windows. I mentioned that power seat over here, driver's side. And again, take a look at just even the condition of the floor mats and seating surface. Pretty much lack of any major wear. Steering wheel controls for radio, of course, cruise control, tilt column, AM FM CD player. This does have the monsoon stereo system to it. Of course, power windows, power steering, power brakes, AC, power top. And how about those exact miles? What can we see in there? Let me brighten this up a little bit. Should be 42,215 if you make that out. It's fired up. There's a pretty good shot at it. 42,215. No check engine light, service engine soon, anything like that. That's just the seatbelt warning indicator. I don't have my seatbelt on. Gauge is working, tack working. That was a cold start, as you can see. First stereo. Also in working order. And it sounds good. Top of the dash. Nice shape. I think we need to listen to this one. Sounds as you'd expect. Now let me pop this hood. We'll check out that engine bay. I'm going to also show you the top going up and down. We'll check out the condition of the top. And then if you stick around to the very end of this video, Jason will take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. All right, underside of the hood, nice and clean and tidy, and engine bay. So what, LS1, 5.7 liter. Power steering, power brakes, AC. Automatic with overdrive. Great power plant. What you'd expect, very stock looking. Sounds good, looks good underneath there. So once again, no surprises, clean Carfax, low mile car. All right, let me pause this, get a tripod set up. I want to show you this convertible top working. Check out the condition, and like I said, stick around to the very end. And there you can see, convertible top works under its own power just fine. I rolled up the side windows, see how nice those fit. Nice tight fit above the windshield, and condition practically like new. Don't really notice any wear on it at all, let alone rips, tears, holes. Glass rear window, of course electronic rear defrost. And passenger side window fits nice and tight. Convertible top, again, what you'd expect with a clean Carfax and low miles. I know, you're tired of me saying it, but this car is clean. All right, I will show you that top going down to finish up this video. 2002 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 convertible. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Take your time looking at all those still pictures. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate. When you call in or email, stick around a little longer. Top's going down. Jason's taking it for a drive.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 2002 Chevrolet Camaro convertible, and the top is down today. This is an automatic on the center console. A very nice condition Camaro. Low mile car, feels very low mile. Everything is tight and crisp, throttle response. Our oil pressure is 60. The battery's charging over 14 volts and the fuel gauge is working, showing over half of a tank. Our tachometer and speedometer working as they should. Temperature about 190. Cruise control functioning. Factory stereo sounds great. Bucket seats in very nice condition, as is the rest of the interior. We got steering wheel controls. Rides like a new Camaro from 2002. Brakes nice and smooth. corners very well. Stays nice and flat in the corners. If you missed the Camaro in 2002 and you're looking for one that feels like new, check this one out at uniqueclassiccars.com.